There are a lot of principles and ideas that go into a good application framework, but one is more important than all the others. It's important enough that it gets its own section. It's convention over configuration. Though this isn't a new concept, it has gained a lot of momentum in recent years thanks in part to frameworks like Ruby on Rails and ASP.NET MVC, and it's a key concept that we'll be leveraging throughout this course. At its core, you can think of convention over configuration as an approach that emphasizes reasonable default behaviors and functionality. As a developer, you don't need to write code for the conventional parts of your application. You only need to write code for the parts that do something unconventional. Ideally, this would just be the business rules and logic that make your app special, but it rarely works out quite that well in practice. Convention over configuration reduces the number of decisions you have to make. This eliminates auxiliary concerns that aren't crucial to the feature you are working on. By handling uninteresting, cross-cutting concerns, your day-to-day development life becomes simpler. You can write code that focuses on the problem you're trying to solve and trust the conventions to handle the rest. One word of caution. When done poorly, convention over configuration may provide simplicity in the short term at the cost of flexibility, but that doesn't have to be the case. Because of that, we'll focus on conventions that degrade gracefully as we need to progressively override them. The idea of convention over configuration is key in building an application framework, as you'll see throughout the rest of this course.